Good morning, my 8th grade friends. Here we are in room 111 again, and we are getting ready for a quiz that has to do with your legal protections that are found in the Bill of Rights. Now, the amendments 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th amendments have to do with your legal protections. The 4th Amendment we talked about it with the TLO case, has to do with the police and whether or not they can search your house or search your person without a court order. And in most cases, the police must obtain a warrant. This is part of the 4th Amendment, and the police need to have probable cause. Next, we're talking about the 5th Amendment. And the 5th Amendment's probably the longest of the amendments. This is where you have the right to remain silent. This protects you from self-incrimination. The 5th Amendment also sets up what's called a grand jury, and a grand jury decides whether or not a crime has been committed. And a grand jury is there to make sure that the government is not charging you with something that never even happened. Also, after you've been arrested in this, you also have your 6th Amendment right to an attorney, which is also part of the Miranda warnings. You have the right to an attorney. This comes from the 6th Amendment. Now, once a grand jury has decided that a crime has been committed, and they decided that there's enough evidence to possibly have a trial, they will what's called indict you. And if you've been indicted, all that means is that they're going to have a trial. In the 6th Amendment, you have the right to know the charges against you. In the 8th Amendment, you have the right to reasonable bail so you can get out of jail before your trial. In the 6th Amendment, you have the right to a speedy trial. They can't charge you 4 years later or try you 4 years later for a crime that happened, 3 years ago. And you also have the right to a jury trial, and a jury is 12 people from the community that will decide your guilt or innocence. At your trial, you have the right in the 6th Amendment to question the people against you. You also have the right to call defense witnesses to your crime. You also have the right to refuse to answer questions because you are innocent until proven guilty. So until the court, get this rabbit off my head. Anyway, you have the right to refuse to answer questions because it's the government's job to convict you based on facts, and it's not your job. You're innocent until proven guilty. And the 6th Amendment also gives you the right to a lawyer, which we've stated already. Here's something that I want you to understand is that double jeopardy is not allowed. They're not allowed to, whoa, this thing's going all over the place. All I'm seeing is stars. Anyway, in double jeopardy, they're not allowed to charge you with the same crime that you've already been acquitted for. It's a very important part of our legal system. Last, once you're found guilty, you are protected from excessive fines. You are protected from unusual punishments. This is the table that I was talking about, the legal protection table. You're going to have 6 questions on it tomorrow. Whoa, where are you going? I don't know. Hope you do really good. Hope you do super good on tomorrow's quiz. Hope you put forth some effort. And I hope you knock it out. All right, this is Steffler signing off. Good luck tomorrow. Bye.